If you want to use Quick Share on Samsung Galaxy Tab A11, what you can do is, for example, we can open the My Files app, which is of course the file manager. And in here you should be able to find everything that you have on your tablet. So this includes images, videos, audio files, documents, and so on and so forth. And if you want to transfer something by using Quick Share, then in that case what you can do is, for example, you can press and hold your finger on the first thing that you want to share, and of course you can select multiple data at once, and then at the bottom we can choose share. And in this case, once this menu pops up, then you can choose quick share option. And in this case, of course, you should be able to find nearby devices. You can also generate a QR code or a link instead, and make sure that the other device has quick share enabled. And once you select the device, you should be able to start transferring files, as long as of course the other device accepts the transfer. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.